Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Control Center with the PS button and heading straight to Downloads/Uploads. This gets you to active transfers fast. Once there, highlight any active item and press X to pause, or press Options and choose Cancel to stop it entirely. Do this before adjusting network settings so no hidden resume happens. Make sure to note which title you stopped. You may want to resume or reinstall later, and tracking names saves time. Next, inspect queues and schedule downloads so nothing restarts by itself. Open Game Library or Notifications to find queued titles. Pause or cancel each one individually. Once done, go to Settings, System, Power Saving, and disable downloading in rest mode to prevent auto-resume. If any downloads originate from media or app updates, remove them from Library or Media Gallery. Doing this prevents background activity and saves bandwidth. Remember to re-enable specific auto-updates only when you want them. To finalize, restart your PS5 to clear any temporary transfer processes. Once done, confirm there are no active downloads in Downloads/Uploads. Make sure to check network connection status to rule out automatic retries. If required, toggle Wi-Fi or reconnect Ethernet. If downloads still restart or the system shows stuck files, boot into safe mode and select Rebuild Database. This cleans corrupt entries without erasing games. One troubleshooting tip: if rebuilding fails, backup saves then initialize only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.